and welcome back to my channel, and welcome back to another cleaning video. Today's video I am writing myself out a to-do list and I am going to tidy Will's room, and I've got some folding to do as well. I hope this video gives you all the cleaning motivation that you need today. And if you are new around here, hello, my name is Michelle. I am a mum to 3 gorgeous children. I live in sunny Queensland, Australia with my husband Chris and our 3 beautiful kids, and here on my channel you will get lots of cleaning motivation. So if you are wanting some cleaning motivation today, then just keep watching. It's currently 2:11. I'm on 4,447 steps. Let's see what we can do in the 30 minutes. Hey Google, put on a 30-minute timer.
30 minutes, and that's starting now.
It's so weird, I'll get home.
Hey Google, play Brit's Hits on Spotify.
Alright, here's your Spotify playlist called Brit Hits.
Got a love for another one. Got a love for another one. It's so weird, I'll let go.
So yesterday I picked up this cute caddy from a little dollar store, and I've also got this little duster I'm about to show you for the blinds. It worked a treat and I really like it. Hopefully I'll be able to buy extra ones I can pop on it so I can wash this one and reuse. But if you have been following for a long time, you will know that I am not a fan of these blinds. As much as they looked great when they first went up, they are dust collectors, and up close they aren't a bright white anymore, so slowly I am phasing them out in all the rooms that we have popped them. But for the time being, this little duster is working out to be really well. And another thing why I got the caddy is I thought that way I can just pop the cleaning products I want to use that day in the caddy and take it with me, because I'm forever going about, if I don't put it in a caddy, I'm going racing back and forth and grabbing things, and it's a time waster. And I'm only doing a half an hour today because it's later on in the day and I didn't want to spend my whole day cleaning, so I thought putting aside a half an hour just to deep clean Will's room was better than doing no cleaning at all.
To keep it nice and clean, not freak out and cause a scene. I try to hold it together, keep it together. Not sure who I really am, just be cute and super bland. I try to hold it together, keep it together. Been playing it down, but I'm so getting tired. Now won't you meet high? 'Cause I've been feeling that crazy, and I need to lose control. So baby, put the record on, baby, put the record on, hit it. And I've been needing that crazy, and I gotta let it go. So baby, put the record on, I'm not gonna need that song, hit it.
So the cleaning products that I'm using today, I'm using the Method cleaning products. I have been buying Method online, and Woolworths and Coles have started introducing Method back into their stores. And the other day when I was in Coles, I did come across the laundry detergent. They don't sell the fabric softener, but if you are wanting to try out the laundry detergent, then head into your local Coles. I'm not sure if Woolworths actually is selling the laundry detergent as well, but definitely check out Coles if you want to give it a try. But I just love the Method cleaning products. I do rotate between Koala Eco, which is an Australian made and Australian owned company, and the products smell amazing. And I also use the Co cleaner. I love that one as well. The Co cleaner is awesome if you just want one product to clean the whole area and you don't have to be running back and forth. It doesn't have a fragrance, but you can add essential oils to that, so I do like that as well. So they're the three main cleaning products that I use when I'm cleaning my home.
Come with me. I'm gonna get this party lit. Come with me. Let's do something we'll regret.
Come with me. I'm gonna get this party lit. Come with me. Let's do something we'll regret.
'Cause I've been feeling that crazy, and I need to lose control. So baby, put the record on. Baby, put the record on. Hit it. And I've been needing that crazy, and I gotta let it go. So baby, put the record on. I'm not gonna need that song. Hit it.
Give it another shot. Through mess ups you're learning that life keeps on turning. So keep on spinning those wheels. 'Cause when you lose, you learn the bumps along the way, and you'll never run out of your ride. And when you lose, you learn that letting go of love will make you a better man. 'Cause life goes on for the lovers. Yeah, life goes on. It goes on. Yeah, life goes on. If you live it, yeah, life goes on. It goes on. Yeah, life goes on. For the lovers, yeah, life goes on. It goes on. Yeah, life goes on. If you live it, yeah, life goes on. It goes on. Yeah, life goes on. Life goes on. It goes on. It goes on. Life goes on. Yeah, life goes on. It goes on. Yeah, life goes on. If you live it, yeah, life goes on. It goes on. Yeah, life goes on. For the lovers, yeah, life goes on. It goes on.
Hey Google, how much more is on the timer?
1 second to go.
Hey Google, stop. Hey Google, put on an alarm for another 20 minutes.
The great yellow sun is reflecting in your deep blue eyes. The day has begun. You spin around, you laugh to yourself. And I see you shine in every color, resting your head in my arms. You sing la 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 la. My God, I think I might be in love. Get rid of all your sorrows in the summer city. You'll never feel alone as long as you're with me. Get rid of all your sorrows in the summer city. There's no place on earth I would rather be. La, 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 la.
would love to know what your favorite cleaning products are and what your favorite laundry detergent is. I am in love at the moment with the Method Ginger and Mango laundry detergent. I love the smell of it. It smells really fresh. I've got another bottle to go, but I have run out of fabric softener, so I do need to order some more of that. But I just love that. Everything just smells amazing. And my favorite cleaning products at the moment are the Method cleaning products, just because they have a lot of the ginger smells, and I love the smell of ginger. But I would love to know what cleaning products, if you don't use Method Co or Koala Eco, what do you use and what do you love to use in your home?
In the summer city, you'll never feel alone. As long as you're with me, get rid of all your sorrows. In the summer city, there's no place on earth I would rather be. Get rid of all your sorrows. In the summer city, you'll never feel alone. As long as you're with me, get rid of all your sorrows. In the summer city, there's no place on earth I would rather be.
I'm tired of waiting, waiting. I'm tired of waiting, waiting. I'm tired of waiting, waiting. So let's be crazy, crazy. I'm tired of waiting, 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 I'm tired of waiting, waiting. I'm tired of waiting, waiting. I'm tired of waiting, waiting. So let's be crazy, crazy.
Thanks so much for watching, guys. I really do appreciate you watching my videos. I know there's hundreds of other cleaning videos out there, and the fact that you clicked on mine today means the world to me. And if you haven't already clicked that subscribe button, I would love for you to do so you can join my YouTube family, and click that bell notification too so you don't miss out on any future videos. But I would just like to say again, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.